It's a £1 billion project described as a major milestone by the Scottish Government, funded childcare for all 3- and 4-year-olds in Scotland, but it's not gone smoothly.
The rate of pay that local authorities can pay compared to the private sector is miles apart.
I think private nurseries in general are just, losing our great staff, which is such a shame.
The Scottish Government currently provides 1,140 free hours of childcare, and that can be used in either a council nursery or with a private childcare provider. But private nurseries say there is an unequal level of funding. There can be as much as a £10,000 pay difference, and that's putting them at risk of closure.
Private providers say local authorities have set up a system that benefits council nurseries instead of making it equal. They say this leaves families with fewer choices and less flexibility. And for those with children under 3, there is still a struggle.
It was just too expensive, so we're just waiting until he's 3 and then I'll kind of go back to work then.
I know that some of my friends did have more trouble kind of finding a space, but we managed to get on okay.
It's not cheap, yeah.
COSLA, the body that represents local authorities, admitted today the focus of funding in many areas was to provide the real living wage to council nursery staff.
It's not sustainable. We're going to undermine the policy if we carry on as we are.
MSPs also heard a warning from those on the front line of childcare provision.
We've said it's at a crisis point. And we hear from our members that they are on their knees, they're exhausted. So I think it's now time for action.
The Scottish Government said all childcare providers are a valued part of the delivery of the project. They said they are committed to working with the sector to improve terms, conditions and pay. Laura Piper, STV News.